Hey. Hey. So we're stuck in the house. We've actually been in the house for going on 4 weeks, a month now. Everybody know what's going on with the whole coronavirus. Whether you take it serious or not, you know, that's up to you. I ain't got anything to do with that. But me and mine has been in the house for almost 4 weeks now. Way before they even recommended the social distancing, we've been in the house for like almost 4 weeks now. Just because Ari is so young, I just don't want to risk it with going in and out and unnecessary in and out. So what I'm gonna do today is just clean my house because it's nothing else to do. Ari, hey baby. Hey. Hey baby. Hey. Ari has grown a lot. I'm able to do a lot more, so I'm primarily downstairs. I'll get to upstairs a little later once I'm still bored, because I know we're going to be in the house a lot longer than what we're anticipating. But anyways, I'm going to be using these new products back here that I picked up from Target. Now I am trying to transition from Clorox and Lysol and the really harsh chemicals when it comes to cleaning my house, just because of Ari. If it wasn't for Ari, girl, all the toxins would continue to just enter my body, because I just feel like if it ain't Clorox, it ain't clean. But for her safety, I just want to make more wiser decisions, and it's going to start with my cleaning products. So I'm just going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using to clean my downstairs area. So before I actually do cleaning, I am going to do a few loads of dirty clothes. This is my new Samsung front loader washer and dryer. I don't remember the model number, but I do know this is the latest model that is out. It is a front loader, and it also has a traditional top loader on top. I really do like this washer and dryer. I had a Samsung front loader before, but that pretty much clocked out on me. So I definitely like this washer and dryer. If you guys want me to do like a review on this, let me know, because I'm just so in love. So anyways, I did put a couple pieces of Ari's clothes in the front loader, and then on the top I'm just going to put her blanket in there. I just don't like to mix like blankets and clothes together. I love that I can separate everything. So in this video, I'm going to be using the Method cleaning line that I got from Target. Now this is supposed to be like plant-based cleaning products that doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it, and it's very safe for, you know, dogs and children, and it's not going to give you that chemical smell. So I'm kind of anxious to try this, but I'm really on the fence right now because I just don't know how it's going to work out, given that I am a Clorox and Pine Sol lover. It's just, you know, my thing. So anyways, I'm going to start by just cleaning up downstairs, putting away all of Ari toys and pacifiers, and just cleaning out the counter space. So I'm using the all-purpose grapefruit cleaner. This is like an all-purpose cleaner. It does smell really good. It does come in different fragrances, but I think I prefer this fragrance. To clean the stove and microwave, I'm using the degreaser cleaner. Travis cooked bacon this morning, so grease is pretty much everywhere. I was really surprised at how much I actually like this particular product. I like that I did not have to let it sit in order to get all the grease up. So this is definitely something that I will be picking up again. So while I was checking on Ari, I noticed that she had spit up in her playpen. So I'm going to go ahead and clean her playpen up, as well as wipe down and sanitize her toys. I am using the Draft sanitizing wipes. I like to use these wipes for cleaning out her toys and anything that she normally likes to touch and put in her mouth. And I do like that this product is geared towards, you know, cleaning kids' toys, and it's safe to use on toys. Unlike Clorox, I have not seen anything that they are promoting where it is actually safe to use on children's toys. I know that you can use Clorox on, you know, toys and things like that, but you will have to follow up and rinse those toys. So now I am going to move on to the rest of my kitchen, load and unload dirty dishes and dirty bottles. And what I'm doing here is actually loading Ariana's bottles and nipples and pacifiers to be sanitized. I do have a full video where I'm talking about this baby Breeza. I absolutely love it. It is a new mom, or any mom with a baby must have products. So I'm going to finish off cleaning my kitchen and I'll be back. Okay, so like when it comes to my sink, I have to use Clorox, especially because I have a garbage disposal, so I want to make sure the Clorox kills everything that's in that garbage disposal. And I just y'all, I gotta use Clorox for this. I just got to. Typically, I like to go in my refrigerator every month and do a deep clean where I remove all of the food and wipe down everything, just to make sure I don't have any old expired food, as well as making sure I have clean shelves. And then I simply put the food right back in the refrigerator, making sure it is organized. Now, this only stays this way for a couple of minutes because you know, when you live with a man, that's just how it is, honey. Ain't nothing perfect no more. So I put all the food back in, making sure everything is good as far as date wise, and it's not just a little bit of food that is stored in a container somewhere. I know y'all refrigerator be like this, because mine's be like this. Like, it'd be like a swallow of juice and it's still sitting in the refrigerator. Like, come on y'all, somebody drink this please. So I love my refrigerator and all, but the fingerprints on this thing drives me crazy. So I'm using this stainless steel polish that I got from Home Depot, and I'm just going to clean all my stainless steel stuff. Now, when I get ready to upgrade my appliances, child, listen, we are going fingerprint free appliances, okay? Like, I just can't do this. Trying to clean my house with an 8-month-old baby can be very challenging. Part of the reason why I don't do it as often anymore, but this is also another reason why I definitely wanted to use, you know, more safer, greener products in my house for my child, because she loves to be around me at all times. You know, she just set up like that. She just knows it like that. So I am going to be using the Method glass cleaner to clean all the glasses in my house. I mean, I'm not really sure if I like this or not. I mean, for the price, I definitely love it. I mean, Windex is gonna cost your girl at least about $6 or $7. So I don't really know if I like this just yet. I think it's gonna have to grow on me. I am going to continue to use it just because it is a safer product again. So I mean, it works for now. So the last thing that I do before I get ready to go to bed is I sweep. I make sure all the crumbs and food and debris from outside is all swept up. Now, the one thing that I hate about having hardwood floors is you have to sweep or vacuum every single day. I cannot stand this. And you literally have to mop at least twice a week because everything shows up on your floors. So I'm using the Bissell mop. This has been featured in my last clean video. I love that I can mop slash vacuum my floors without having to squeeze the mop, and I also love that I don't have to worry about too much water on my hardwood floors. Like, this is perfect. If you guys want me to do a review, let me know below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick clean with me video. Until next time, see y'all later.